The Empowered PC Panorama is built to push the limits of what a desktop can do. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This tower is designed for peak performance with the powerhouse AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D processor, featuring 16 cores and 32 threads with speeds up to 5.7 GHz. Built on cutting-edge 4nm architecture, this chip handles demanding tasks like video rendering, streaming, and advanced multitasking with ease. Paired with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, which features 16 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 memory, this system delivers lightning-fast frame rates and ultra-detailed visuals for every type of workload. Whether you're working with high-resolution media or pushing 3D applications, the RTX 5080 ensures efficient, top-tier performance. The Panorama doesn't cut corners on memory either. With 96 GB of DDR5 RAM, this system offers smooth multitasking and future-proof capability. Whether it's running multiple productivity tools or switching between browser tabs and content creation software, everything stays fluid and fast. Storage is another highlight, boasting two ultra-fast 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSDs. The system boots up in seconds and loads files or applications up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. The case design itself is a statement piece. The Panorama Tower includes full-panel tempered glass on the front and side, giving you a clear view of its vibrant internals powered by 9 ARGB PWM fans. These fans are not only visually striking with customizable RGB lighting, but also engineered for dynamic airflow and thermal control to keep your components cool and performing their best. Running on Windows 11 Pro, this PC is ready for professional use right out of the box, with no bloatware to slow it down. Connectivity is made easy with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, DisplayPort options, and it also includes a free rainbow backlit keyboard and LED mouse. Assembled and tested in the USA, Empowered PC backs this machine with lifetime tech support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, giving you peace of mind and reliability from the start. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.